Greetings, phenomenal LTDE 5305 students. Welcome to Module Week 2 of the course, in which we will focus upon the process of creating in collaboration with others. Let's go ahead and dive in. First, exploring the learning resources for this week. This module will give you the opportunity to work in collaboration with others within the course to create an instrument for actually obtaining learners' viewpoints on their use of and feelings about digital tools and resources in learning and assessment. Last week, we talked a bit about the importance of helping students to feel that their voices are heard and their perspectives are valued in learning experiences. This week, we will actually create a tool for obtaining their viewpoints. We will continue to evaluate information regarding digitally based instructional resources, and we will formulate strategies in collaboration for obtaining students' viewpoints on their use of and feelings about digital tools and resources within learning environments. This week, you will have access to a number of rubrics that are available for you as models of exemplary rubrics, as well as guidelines for creating rubrics. If you took part in LTDE 5302, you actually had the experience of creating a rubric. If not, you will still be exposed to a number of rubrics throughout this course, as well as information regarding the process of creating quality rubrics. There's also a TED Talk available to you in this module entitled The Power of Student-Driven Learning. And when students feel as though learning experiences are driven by their desire to create, so rather than simply being consumers of information, they're creators of new learning experiences, we know that the learning experiences are even more powerful. And so my hope is that as you view this TED Talk, you will be inspired by the power of student-driven learning. Now let's go ahead and explore the assignments for this week. So in this week, you actually will begin by creating a collaborative instructional design evaluation tool. So this will be our first collaborative project over the course of the semester. And this will truly set the stage for collaborative learning endeavors to come. A huge component of this course is developing the skill of working collaboratively in group settings with others to accomplish common goals. We know that within the digital age, the ability to effectively collaborate with others represents a vital skill for learners and professionals. Even more significantly, though, the importance of using our gifts to enhance one another's growth is referred to often throughout the Bible. We are individuals created in God's image, and as such, we are expected to graciously collaborate with others as we work to accomplish creative endeavors. Simply stated, teamwork makes the dream work. It's one of my favorite phrases to use, and as cheesy as it may seem, I truly do believe that this phrase makes a lot of sense. God's word states this even more profoundly in Proverbs 27:17, which offers these words of encouragement. As iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. So this is an excellent opportunity to work on sharpening one another as learners and as professionals. So you actually will work with a group to collaboratively create an instrument for obtaining learners' views on their use of and feelings about digital tools and resources in learning and assessment. And then you will have the opportunity to share this tool with others within the course so that they also can evaluate the tool that you have created. So you will be placed into groups, and within your groups, you'll actually be able to engage in a discussion forum. So you'll work collaboratively to develop this tool together. Let's go ahead and take a look at the instructions for this assignment. By Sunday of Module Week 1, you'll be assigned to a group to begin researching and creating a survey for obtaining learners' views on their use of and feelings about digital tools and resources in learning and assessment. As I mentioned previously, you will actually be placed in groups within Blackboard, and each group will have a unique discussion forum by which to plan out the various elements of this assignment. So you will want to, by Wednesday of Module Week 2, work together to determine which group member will serve in each role. Some suggested roles include group leader, group designer, and group editor. However, the choice of roles and responsibilities is up to you. You will also want to collectively determine which elements of the survey each group member will be responsible for completing. And every group member will need access to either a Microsoft Forms or Google Forms link so that each group member can edit the same document. Once you've decided upon these elements, you will want to work with your group to begin creating a survey. The survey will include students' names, students' email address, questions regarding course expectations, so at least 2 questions regarding course expectations, at least 2 questions regarding course structure and content, at least 2 regarding assessment items, 2 regarding timing, 2 regarding navigation, 2 regarding visual design, and 2 regarding multimedia elements. You will want to view this resource as you are deciding upon questions to include with your fellow instructional designers. This resource has a fabulous list of questions for you to view as you are deciding upon the questions you would like to include within the survey. Again, your group will be using either Microsoft Forms or Google Forms to create your survey. If you are unfamiliar with these tools, please view the tutorials that are provided to help you learn to create a survey using one of these tools. By Sunday of Module Week 2, each group member will need to submit their survey link in the assignment submission area for the Collaborative Instructional Design Evaluation Tool assignment. And then by Monday of Module Week 3, every group member will need to submit their survey link to the Module Week 2 discussion forum. This way, everyone else within the course can view the survey that you and your group have created together. By Thursday of Module Week 3, every group member will review and respond to 2 other surveys, providing meaningful feedback and expounding upon the ideas that are included within those surveys for use in instructional settings. For this portion of the assignment, the evaluation portion, you will be working individually, and so you will respond to those who are not within your group. Now let's go ahead and look at the discussion forum for this week. And so this discussion forum is interesting in that it does not actually begin until Module Week 3. However, it's provided in Week 2 in order that you can post your survey to this discussion forum as soon as your group has completed it. So again, you will want to share a link to your collaborative creation of an instructional design evaluation tool for peers to review. And once that link has been shared, you'll want to review other colleagues' links that they have shared, so people that are not included within your group, and you will want to provide feedback to 2 of your colleagues' surveys. Specifically, you will want to share about how you might use the surveys that classmates have created within your own teaching and learning endeavors. This is your opportunity to focus upon real-life applications, thus making learning even more impactful. I am incredibly excited to see what you will design in collaboration with others over the course of the week. It's going to be an exciting week ahead, and I look forward to seeing you online. God bless you all.